Transitioning out of the military is a significant life-changing event. You will need trusted advisors who will help you clarify your personal values, principles, and purpose. Hi, this is Gary Rohmann. I'm the Veterans Coach. Today's transition tip is you don't travel alone. A key part of your transition plan is finding a team of people that you respect and trust become part of your personal transition advisory team. Yes, team. So what is the role of an advisor? Well, they're also a coach. Everyone needs a coach. Look at high performers in sports or even whatever music, business executives. Well, everyone needs a coach if they want to get to a level that they've never achieved before. So a coach is very important to help you navigate the many challenges you will face during transition. They will help you investigate your past, where you came from. They will dive into your challenges and weaknesses to get an honest look at what you need to work through. And you will get clarity on your strengths, which will in the end help you identify your passion. You don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I'm Gary Rohmann, and I can help you. My contact information is at the end of this video. You don't have to travel alone.